Hello everybody, this is JBL and welcome back to another like market price intro, if you know what I mean. The speaker is right there, the JBL, and then the T&G. They're playing the treble in the audio. The concert is playing the subwoofer noise or whatever, bass. And yeah, I'm on selfie mode right now. I can do this. Yeah, for more proof. I had what do you call this? What do you call this thing? A stand. So yeah, I am on selfie mode with my awkward camera angle. I'm gonna put you down here. The sound is right there. I'm sorry, dudes. I don't have COVID. Okay. So I'm gonna play one of my music. It's called. From DJ Knife, it's called Rat Sound Check, or because we are Filipinos, Rat means bang bang or whatever. So I'll just play a rat. The speaker will be on 90% volume, and that was not a jump scare. The concert on max bass, no treble. Oh yeah, it has treble, and these two are just on normal. So playing it on 90% volume.
We are not responsible for causing
Hopefully this doesn't distort or anything.
Yayagin ka sa mga bagong remix ni DJ Christian Naive. Battle move activated. DJ Christian Naive. Basta Naive.
100% volume.
Battle move activated.
We are not responsible for causing any ear damage.
DJ Christian Naive.
Play new music. I'm not gonna pause that. You can, yeah. I'm actually gonna pause it. I'm gonna search for some music that has a very long name or whatever.
On us.
Oh, I am gonna play bass music as
The ones you die with,
on the volume.
the ones you die with, the ones you die
Sing the
with,
bass, of course. I will
the ones you die with,
Oh, sure, you can
the ones you die with, the ones you die with.
But again, 100% volume. This is loud as heck.
The ones you die with.
Oh, that's loud. port, so we receive more bass and not port noise. I removed the bass port. Hopefully if you can hear me. I removed the bass port. I was shouting. I removed the bass port, so no port noise, because the port noise is super annoying. I don't have more bass. Let's play any music. I can even find something good on my playlist. As all of my music here is literally not good for the video or copyrighted. Let's try this. My Garrick sounded most bass boosted by bass boosted songs. Max volume, I'm gonna lower down the bass, of course. I'm gonna go outside because this thing is literally blasting my ear off. Like literally. Here comes the king! Do you hear that? The flipping doorknob is shaking because of this. Woo! 8 minutes in. Yeah. This thing is different. Oh, what's on this door? The door is shaking. Just low battery. The T&G is on low battery. You can skip this if you want to. But the the T&G is on low battery. The amplifier of what am I call this? The amplifier of the concert is a sizzling. Not really sizzling, but hot. And the JBL. Okay, also just gonna turn it off. The JBL is literally not affected. The JBL is just chilling, doing what it's doing, like playing, treble music. And my phone is not stopping, which is weird. Because my phone sometimes stops if I play like music and everything. And of course I remove the bass port. Every time I play bass music on this, I remove the bass port because port noise. I hate port noise. It sounds like crap if you do not remove the bass port on this. And by the way, this bass port is not like hard plastic. It's like not. I'm gonna give you guys an example. Right here, this is the port. It should have had like a wire here with the lights, but when we fixed this, the light is gone. I would assume they got it or something, but it's absolutely empty. I think there's like a 4.5 inch bass port. Yeah. So that's the end of the video while I fix this. Ow. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Share if you want to. And of course subscribe. We're gonna hit 330 subscribers soon, so yeah. If you want me to battle out the Pulse 3, the fake Pulse 3, and then the Sony XM12, I'll do that. So bye guys, and hope you have a wonderful day. See you next time. Peace. I was gonna do that kind of transition, but I'm not gonna side you guys. I love you. So yeah, bye. My videos are just getting longer and longer by a minute.